Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss about 5 important questions which are related to previous year's NTSE questions from different states. First one is NTSE West Bengal from 2013, between 2013 and 14 he has given. If the sum of digits of any integer between 100 and 1000 is subtracted from that integer, then the result is always divisible by. See, he has given the integer is between 100 and 1000, so it must be a 3-digit number. So I am considering that number be, let the number equal to ABC. It is a 3-digit number, so I am considering that number as ABC. When we are applying in simplifications, we have to uh, simplify that in standard form and then we have to utilize it. So what about that number in standard form? It is 100A plus 10B plus C. He has given as if the sum of digits of any integer between 100 and 1000 is subtracted from that integer. If sum of digits is subtracted from that integer, actual integer is 100A plus 10B plus C only. From this we have to subtract sum of the digits. What are sum of digits? A plus B plus C. So from this number I am subtracting sum of digits. Given 100A plus 10B plus C minus A plus B plus C. Actual integer is 100A plus 10B plus C. I am subtracting sum of digits from that integer. Then what about that resultant? It is 100A minus A, that is 99A, plus 10B minus B, that is 9B, plus C minus C we can eliminate, then we can get only 99A plus 9B only. If you take 9 common, then we can get 11A plus B. So 9 into 11A plus B. So the resultant number contain 9 as factor. So the resultant number is always divisible by 9 only. So option 4 is correct. Now we will see second question, another question. That is NTSE Odisha in stage 1 in 2013 and 14. The highest power of 2 by which the product of first 100 counting numbers can be divided without any remainder is. So the product of 100 counting numbers can be divided. Then the powers of 2. So I am writing what is product of 100 counting numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into so on up to 100 into 100. So here in this product, what about highest power of 2? If you split into prime factors, what is highest power of 2? If you split that into prime factors, I am taking 2 common in all these alternate even numbers. These are all even numbers. From all the even numbers, I am taking 2 common. And then I am collecting powers of 2 and I am writing here. If you take 2 common from all the even numbers, we can get 2 power 50. 50 even numbers are there. So 2 power 50. Okay, but here in 4 it contains 2 factors. 2 into 2. 2 twos it contains. So 2 power 2. So 1 2 only we took common. Now I am taking second 2 from 4 and from 8 also. That means from every 4 numbers, 4 consecutive numbers, we can take one more 2 as common. So up to 100, how many 2's we can take common now again? 2 power 25. How we got this 25? If you divide 100 by 4 for every 4 consecutive numbers. So if you divide 100 by 4, then we can get 2 power 25. In the same manner, from 8 we can get another 2 as common, third 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So if you take third 2 as common from 8 and 16 and multiples of 8, how many 2's we can get? So if you divide 100 by 8, then we can get how many 2's we can get common. So that is 2 power 12. So if you observe the exponents of 2 here, 2 power 50, 25, 12. So half of 50 is 25, half of 25 is 12.5, that is I am taking integer part, 12. And then 12 by 2, we can get 2 power 6. How we got 2 power 6? From 16, and from next multiple of 16, that is 32. If you take 2 common, we can get 2 power 6 as factor, and then 6 by 2, that means 2 power 3, 3 by 2, that means 2 power 1. So these many 2's we can get as factors. So number of 2's, how many 2's are there? So here 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. We have to find sum of all these exponents. That is only resultant answer. What about this sum? That is equal to 97. So it contain highest power of 2 is 2 power 97. So what is correct option? Option 1. We'll see another question. From the previous years, we will go for another question. Question number 3. This is NTSE Panchkula from Chandigarh Stage 1 2012 and 13. If the 8-digit number 2575D 568 is divided by 54 and 87. If you divide this number by 54 and 87, is divisible by 54 and 87. Then what about the value of D? It is divisible, that means exactly divisible by 54 and 87. Then what about the value of D? If a number is divisible by 54, then that number must be divisible by 3 and 9 also. Why? Because 3 and 9 are factors of 54 and 3 is a factor of 87 also. So I am checking by using 3 and 9, that is enough I think. So what about divisibility rule of 3? If sum of the digits is divisible by sum of the digits of that given number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. So what about sum of digits of the given number? Sum of digits of the given number. 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus D plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. It is equal to, that is equal to D plus sum is 14, 19, 24, 30, 38. Sum of these digits is D plus 38. To make this D plus 38 is divisible by 3, then D must be equal to maybe 1. If D equal to 1, 1 plus 38, then it is 39. It is divisible by 3. So if D equal to 1, then it is divisible by 3. Not only that, D equal to 4 also. If D equal to 4, 1 plus 4, difference is 3, like that. So D plus 4, that means 1 plus 4. Then also it is divisible by 3. That means 38 plus 4, 42. 42 is divisible by 3. 4 plus 3, 7. If D equal to 7, then also that means 38 plus 7, 45. Then also it is divisible by 3. If D equal to 1 or 4 or 7, then it is divisible by 3 in all these three cases. Then what about divisible by 9? We will check about divisible by 9. See, if D equal to 139, then it is not divisible by 9. If D equal to 4, then it is 42, then it is not divisible by 9. If D equal to 7, then 38 plus 1, 45, then it is divisible by 9. So if the value of D equal to 7, then only it is divisible by 3 and 9. Otherwise, it is not possible. So D value must be 7. So option 2 is correct. Now we will see another question. This is related to Haryana stage 1 from 2013 and 14. He has given question like in this way, that is the sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. The sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. The smallest possible value of this sum is. So he has given the sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers. It is not first 18 consecutive natural numbers. First 18 means from 1 to 18 we have to add. It is not like that. Sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. So if I start from 1, 2, 3 up to n and then n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, so on like that, n plus 18, n plus 19, so on. So I'm finding the sum of first 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square he has given. No? So from n plus 1 onwards, if you add from n plus 1 onwards, from n plus 1 to n plus 18, what about sum of first 10 consecutive natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. But if you want to find sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers means it is not starting from 1 onwards. If I start from n plus 1 onwards, what is formula to find sum of first 10 natural numbers? Sum of first 10 natural numbers formula is sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. But here he is not asking about to find sum of first n natural numbers. It is 18 consecutive natural numbers, not starting from 1. So further, I am finding sum of natural numbers from 1 to n plus 18. I am finding sum of natural numbers from 1 to n plus 18. From that, I am subtracting the natural numbers from 1 to 9. I think are you understand? I am finding the sum of consecutive natural numbers from 1 to n plus 18, and from that I will subtract this, then I can get this. Now what about sum of first n plus 18 consecutive natural numbers? It is n plus 18 into, in the place of n I am substituting n plus 18 here in this formula. N plus 18 into n plus 1 by 2 formula. Here n means n plus 18. N plus 18 into n plus 18 plus 1, that is n plus 19 by 2 minus. I am subtracting sum of first and natural numbers. Now I am subtracting this part now. Then it is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is sum of first and consecutive natural numbers only. N into n plus 1 by 2. Now here if you take n by 1 by 2 common, then what about product of, it will be inside, n plus 18 into n plus 19 will be inside, n plus 18 into n plus 19 minus n into n plus 1. So it is 1 by 2 into n square plus 18n plus 19n plus 18 into 19 minus n square minus n. Here we can eliminate n square, and then finally we got 1 by 2 into the resultant value is 18n plus 19n. What about that value? 37n plus 18 into 19. 18 into 19 minus n by 2. Then here 37n minus n, that is 36n. So 1 by 2 into, it is 36n plus 18 into 19. Then if you simplify this value, it is equal to, and here in these two terms I am taking 18 common, and then if you take 18 common here, 18 by 2 into 2n plus 19, then finally we got it is 9 into 2n plus 19. So In the resultant, it contains 9 as factor. 9 as factor. 9 is a factor for the resultant number. Na? So this is divisible by which are the following numbers? He has given like this. The sum of 18 consecutive natural numbers is a perfect square. Then the smallest possible value of that sum. That sum must be divisible by, see here finally we got 9 into 2n plus 19. Finally we got 9 into 2n plus 19. That is the sum. So that sum is divisible by 9. So which are the following options are divisible by 9? 144 is divisible by 9. 169 is not divisible by 9. Is 225 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, 225 is divisible by 9. Is 289 is divisible by 9 or not? No. So it is not divisible by 9. So we will check it now. What are the values which are not divisible by 9? Here it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9. But 144 and 225 both are divisible by 9. So maybe our options are 144 or 225. Here it contains 18 by 2 means 9. 9 into 2n plus 19. But what is 2n plus 19? 2n plus 19 must be an odd number. In that sum, 9 into some odd number. Again, resultant number must be an odd number. So 9 into 2n plus 19 must be an odd number. So from the options, what is odd number? 225. So the smallest possible value of that sum is 225 only. I think you got very good idea about this question. It is very important. I think this model is very important. Next one we will see. Question number 5. This is related to NTSE Haryana Stage 1 2013 and 14. Units digit of the number 3 power 1001, 7 power 1002, 13 power 1003. Here we must know about what is cyclicity here. What is the cyclicity? The cyclicity of 2. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Unit digit I am writing. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. That means unit digit is 4. From here onwards 2 power 5 is 16 into 2 32. Again 2 only. 2486. 2486. 2486. So cyclicity of 2 is 4. 2486, how many? That count is 4 only, no? So cyclicity of 2 is 4. In the same manner, cyclicity of 3 is 4 only. Cyclicity of 7 is 4 only. Why? Because 7 power 1, 7. 7 power 2, 7 into 7, 9. 7 power 3, 9 into 7, 3. Like that. 7931, 7931, like that. So cyclicity of 7 is 4 again. So 13 also, cyclicity of 13 also 4 only. So I am converting exponent of 3 power 1001. This 1001 as a multiple of 4 plus remainder. So I am splitting by using 4. 4 into 250 plus remainder is 1 into 7 power 4 into 250 plus 2. I am dividing that exponent by 4 and then I am separating that remainder. 13 power 4 into 250 plus 3. Now, don't consider this part. Other than this part, remaining part. That means 3 power 1. So I am finding only unit digit. Unit digit of that resultant number is equal to 3 power 1 into 7 power 2 into 13 power 3 or 3 power 3. 13 also no need to consider. 3 power 3 you can take. So I am taking only 3 power 3. Unit digit of 13 power 3 and 3 power 3 both are same. And here also 3 power 1 that is 3, 7 power 2 unit digit is 9, 3 power 3 unit digit is 7. Then what about its unit digit? 3 into 9 into 7 that is 9 only. Unit digit of that given product is equal to 9. So I think everyone got very good idea about each and every question. Thank you everyone. Bye.